Let's talk about a word you and I probably use all the time without even thinking about it. Cruel. Seems pretty straightforward, right? But what if I told you there's this incredible hidden story behind it? A story that explains why this specific word is actually considered one of the most essential in the entire English language. The kid is cruel with the cats. Wow. I mean, that's straight from our source, the Simple English Wiktionary. It's kind of dark, right? But you instantly get it. It hits you. It's not just about what the kid is doing, it's about who the kid is. It's a character trait, an intent, all packed into that one little word. So that brings us to the big question here. What makes this word so basic? We all have a gut feeling for what cruel means, but here's the twist. Its very simplicity is exactly what makes it so interesting. There's a secret layer to this word, and we're about to peel it back. Okay, first things first. Let's just break the word down, like a quick vocab lesson. This is going to set the stage for the big reveal that's coming up. All right, here's the core definition. It says someone who is mean, but it's way more than that. It's a specific kind of mean. Look closely. It says they hurt other people and either don't care or, and this is the part that gives me chills, they actually like it. That distinction is huge, and it's so important. And here we can see how it works in the wild. It can describe a person, right? The cruel guard. But it can also describe a situation, an act. It's cruel to make kids work all day. So the word is flexible. It can tag both the person and the thing they're doing. And even for a simple word, there are levels to it. It has its own little complexities. One person can be crueler than another. An act can be the absolute cruelest. It's a small detail, sure, but it shows you just how much nuance is baked right into our language. Okay, so we've looked at the definition, the examples, even the grammar, but we've missed the most important clue. Tucked away on that same Wiktionary page, there's a single sentence that honestly changes everything. And boom, there it is. That one little note unlocks the whole story. Cruel isn't just another word we use. It's been officially chosen as an essential word. It's basically in this super exclusive club. 850. Just let that number sink in for a second. 850. Out of over 170,000 words we use in English today, our little word cruel made the cut for a list with just 850 spots. That's kind of wild when you think about it. So that's the obvious next question, right? What is this list? What is basic English? And what does it mean that our word is on it? This really gets to the heart of the matter. Being on this list isn't just random. It means that the word cruel is considered absolutely fundamental, not just to English, but to communication, period. The Basic English 850 list, or BE 850, is the specially hand-picked vocabulary. The whole goal was to create a version of English that's easy to learn for anyone, anywhere, but still powerful enough to express really complex thoughts. And the creators decided that the concept of cruelty was so fundamental to the human experience that you couldn't properly communicate without a word for it. It's as essential as man, woman, give, or take. Think about that. And this all leads us to a final, bigger thought. We started out just looking at one everyday word, and it ended up revealing this whole philosophy about language and how we connect with each other. That's really the journey we just took, isn't it? We started with this one little piece of the puzzle, the word cruel, and we ended up discovering how it fits into this massive system designed to connect the whole world with a shared, powerful vocabulary. This is the thing that really gets me. This isn't about dumbing down English. Not at all. Basic English is more like a super sharp, perfectly engineered tool. It proves that being a powerful communicator isn't about knowing the most words. It's about truly understanding and mastering the right words, the essential ones. So I guess I'll just leave you with this thought. A little challenge. If you only had those 850 words, could you tell your story? Could you really express your biggest ideas, your deepest feelings? It's a fascinating thing to think about, isn't it? Anyway, thanks for digging into this with me.